अपने आप को।
So my dear ones, as you know that on Saturdays we have always speaking session, and in this session we have two groups, B20 and B23. So B20 students are older, or I can say the oldest. So for them, today's topic is your feedback, but recently feedback. What is going on these days? You can also describe your earlier days, but you have to focus on recent classes.
Sir, it is for R.
Yes, it is for you, B20. And for B23, very simple topic, that is about your favorite person. ओके और इसको राइटिंग में भी कर लेना, आप लोग लिख लेना टॉपिक, राइटिंग में भी लिख लेना, और ब्रदर और सिस्टर वाला भी लिख लेना राइटिंग में, आप लोग B23 वाले लिख रखा है तो माय फेवरेट पर्सन को भी लिख लेना आप, है ना। और आज का टॉपिक है तुम्हारा माय फेवरेट पर्सन, जो भी
माय फेवरेट पर्सन भी उसमें हो रखा है कॉपी में।
कोई बात नहीं, हो रखा है तो ये टॉपिक है आपका। और विवान, तुमको अपने बारे में बोलना है आज, ठीक है। हाँ, नाम लिख देना, सब लोग नाम लिखना शुरू करो फटाफट से, हरी अप। वेरी गुड। सो we are about to start today's class. As I have got some names like Rakshit, Harsh, Anuj, Lakshmi, Vaishnavi. So we are starting with just a minute. Someone is there to be admitted, and Simran has come. So Simran, how are you?
Sir, I am fine.
Very good, very good, very good. So today's topic is your feedback, recent feedback. You can tell also your earlier days, but you have to focus on recent days classes. Like these days your tests are going on, and what do you feel about those? Okay, so okay, we are starting with Rakshit. Come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my feedback of the recent classes which are going on nowadays. So, we know that in our B20 group nowadays, tests are going on, and sometimes there are speaking sessions also between tests. So, among tests, so according to me, the things in the classes which are going on nowadays are very beneficial for all of us because in these classes, in these recent classes, we are improving by the whole. Like we are improving our focus, our English skills, English skills, etc. Like we are improving by the whole, not at the single thing. And we are also revising the grammar topics like tag question, framing question, conditional sentences, tense, etc. And among these tests, there is also marking scheme by which that encourage students to improve in the tests, and also that make students realize that they have to do better in the tests. And so that system of these tests is different from the tests that were taken before by the sir. So we do not get bored by these tests. These are getting interesting for us, and we will try to do our best in these classes. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. आप अपना थोड़ा पहले का भी बता सकते हो, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप अब पहले का नहीं बता सकते हो, पहले का भी बताना चाहिए थोड़ा सा, है ना।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
Very good evening.
सर
So
आज का टॉपिक क्या है?
your favorite person B4 B23,
ओके सर।
your favorite person, और
ओके सर।
बाकी के लोग सुना करो, अपना खोपड़ी में मत इकट्ठा किया करो कि मैं अपना इकट्ठा कर लूं, मुझे क्या बोलना है। ये बहुत गंदी आदत है, कभी भी इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं कर पाओगे। दूसरों को सुना करो आप क्या बोला जा रहा है, आदत डालो थोड़ी सी। ओके एंड ओके, वेरी गुड रक्षित। एंड और ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश किया करो, कंजूसी मत किया करो बोलने में, समझ गए ना? यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshal. I am going to tell you about my feedback of some last days in which we are doing some grammar practice. So, as all of the 20 students know that since last few days we are just focusing on our grammar, in which we are solving the questions prepared by the sir by his own, and and the questions are of tag question, framing question, error finding, error finding, tenses, etc. And these improve the overall development and the lagged practice of arts in the last month of our classes, because in the last month we did not do the grammar practice. We were focusing on the reading part. So to again come in contact with grammar, sir took this initiative, and it's very good because we,
शाबाश।
as we know that all of the unit tests of all the students are approaching, and they will get these types of questions in their they will find these types
शाबाश,
of questions in their exam,
वेरी
and
गुड।
it will be a good practice for them, and they will find all the resources here, and they will not have to go on Google and distract themselves by like sometimes we go to go on any platform to find some resource, but we are distracted by other things. So by this research removes our distraction, and it increases our concentration and focus power, because many students loses their marks because of their focus, like in the recent class, some students do not focus on which sentence is running currently. They think that they will find at the time the sir will call their name, but
Yes.
in this way they loses their mark, and
दे लूज, लूजेज नहीं, लूज। थोड़ा फोकस करो ग्रामर पे बेटा।
they lose their marks, and sir also derived a new way of giving marks, that is percentage, because if we say that a person got 2 out of 3, then it look nice, but in percentage it decreases by 33.33%,
Yes.
which means a lot. So
Yes.
to make us understand the value of 1 mark, sir derived the system of percentage. So I think the changes done by sir in the latest week are very good, and it should be applied to all the other batches of yours, sir. That's it, sir.
Very good. Now you can go and prepare for your test. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay बेटा। Yes, now
Bye, sir.
Anuj.
Sir, I'm not ready right now, so
So why did
I'll
you write
be
your
next.
name?
Sir, I was ready, but not right now.
What happened?
Sir, someone has called me, so I have to go right now.
Okay, come on, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today, my topic is about my feedback. And in last week, we are continuing the tense practice and others grammar practice. And in the test session, we can improve ourselves, because in the test session, no one can do Google, and everybody keep focus on the sentence. If he or she loses their focus,
Loses.
he loses their focus, he will not find their number,
You not get.
and not get his or her number. And in this session we can improve our grammar and our thinking capacity, because in this session we we should keep focus, and it enhance our ability, and it increase many things in ourselves, and 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 this session is very nice for everybody, because in the session some person lose their focus, and they will find low marks,
They get
and
they get
they get low marks, and this during this session we can make perfect ourselves, and in the future we we will not be any doubt in the grammar session, because our grammar session is becoming strong and powerful during this session, and by this session we can improve our speaking and writing and etc.
Hmm.
And in this session we do all grammar practice, like take question, framing question, and conjunction etc. And if we do grammar practice, we will get good in grammar, and our vocabulary also improve during this session. And according to me, this session is very nice, and my concentration and my focus
concentration.
concentration and my focus is developing day by day, and during this session we can fight competition exam, because in the competition exam grammar is very important, and English is also important in many exams, and we should continue this session. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश. थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करना है ना, और प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे फोकस करना है थोड़ा सा. ओके, कम ऑन वैष्णवी.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, I'm expressing my view on the topic recently feedback. Nowadays, sir gave us the framing tag questions and conditional sentences and tag questions and etc. In this session, I feel very try to focus on this session, because this session is very useful for us, and because in this session we can develop our focus, and as well as vocabulary, and it is very useful for us, and nowadays competitions are very increasing day by day so much, and sir trying to prepare us to be ready to fight the competition exam, and so that's why we joined this session. And sir suddenly call our name, so we don't know how to answer it. So sometimes I lost my focus, and
Yes.
and I lost my marks, so I feel very bad, and so in this session I try to improve slowly, and this session is very helpful for us, and I love this session, and because of some circumstances I couldn't attend the class.
शाबाश. धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, ऐसे बोला करो, फोकस किया करो बस. हाँ.
It is very useful and important for us, and at last I want to say that it is a very good session for us and useful for us. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good, शाबाश बेटा. अनुज, are you ready? He is still not ready. Okay, come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir.
पढ़ा मत का, थोड़ा खड़ा हो जाया कर, बैठ जाया कर थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, जब देखो जब पढ़ जाता है. हाँ.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is that what is going on now. Yes, sir.
Yes, बोल.
Yes, sir. सर टॉपिक गलत बोल दिया क्या?
नहीं, सही बोला है.
हाँ सर.
हम्म.
So, as you know that
सीधा
my
बैठ एक तो
holidays.
बिल्कुल सीधा बैठ एक तो. पूरी शक्ल दिखा दे रही. पढ़ता गिरता पढ़ता रहता है जब देखो जब. हाँ.
Yes, sir. So, as you all know that the holidays are over and the brutal sessions are open.
क्या क्या बोलते हो यार. अब फिर से पढ़ने लगा तू. सीधा नहीं बैठेगा क्या?
And the schools will torture us badly, and then give us the mountain of exams just right after the relax.
Okay. Hmm.
But we have to handle it anyway
Yes.
because it's our. We are not forced, but that's for our well.
Hmm.
That's for our future. Like if you work hard now, you will get prosperity
Hmm.
ahead.
Hmm.
But the school should not torture the students this much. Let them be used to let them be they are not in a habit to go to school now. So first, let them make that habit.
Hmm.
Then place the exam at the end of June. Not right in front of us just after the relax.
Hmm.
That's the main torture because we don't even know what school.
Hmm.
What is school?
Hmm.
But after Corona, the situation was way worse.
You have to speak what is going on in our classes. You have to give the feedback of these classes, not about your school.
Oh, sir. So, as you know that those two things are also connected, sir, because in the summer holidays we were not so much brutally tortured, but now we have also homework, classwork, tuition, classwork, this classwork, and then play work. So many things.
About these classes.
Yes, sir. And as talking about these classes, it's
क्लास तो
also
निकालनी है
good.
इसको स्कूलों पे, तो इसको पूछो मत तुम. इसका बस चला जाए तो पता नहीं क्या कर दे. बोल.
Well, those two things are connected, as I said.
Hmm.
But these classes are like the only beacon that motivate us to keep studying, not just not just to end the story here.
Hmm.
And also, it's also helping us to develop our life skills and English skills day by day. That's it. Thank you, sir.
10 में से 2 नंबर है बेटा.
अरे सर वो
तुमने
स्कूल
तो
वाला
स्कूल का क्यों, स्कूल का तो कनेक्ट ही नहीं. तुमको तो यहाँ के बारे में बोलना था. अभी जो आजकल जो हमारे जो सेशंस चल रहे हैं तुम्हारी यहाँ की क्लासेस के अंदर, उनके बारे में बोलना था.
अच्छा सर, मैं थोड़ा ग्लोबल ले गया.
तू ज्यादा ग्लोबल ले गया. थोड़ा नहीं, पूरा का पूरा ही ग्लोबल ले गया तू. थोड़ा सा क्या होता, पूरा का पूरा ही लगा ली, पूरी भड़ास निकाल ली स्कूलों पे.
नहीं सर, मैंने ये क्लास के बारे में अच्छा भी तो बोला.
चलो नाउ खुशी.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. Myself, Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about my feedback. I hope you all are well.
वेरी गुड.
So,
नाइस वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग. शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
yes, sir. Before I joined this class, my sister also had joined this class. That time I saw that Ramban English teaching styles is very clear and easy to understand. That's why I joined this class. And uh, I knew preposition, tense, a lot of words, but I didn't know how to set in a sentence these words, and how to give our views in a English language
नाइस
to others.
नाइस नाइस फीडबैक, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड. सुन लो,
And
सीख लो थोड़ा सा, सूख लो. हाँ, बोल.
and I have been taking this class since September 2024, and I have completed about almost 2 years. So these days, sir, our sir is taking a test and gives us many extra sheets to test, and gives number sometimes coming to 7 out of 8 numbers, sometimes 8 out of 8 numbers. So it is very important for us, because these days are improving my confidence level and focus and
concentration. हाँ.
Yes. So these classes are very useful for me, and we will these days classes we learn many things, like tech question, framing questions, conditional sentence, and grammar expertise, etc. And that's it, sir.
ओके बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. अपना एक सेंटेंस है ना, स्पीक इंग्लिश, कौन पूरा करेगा? +10 दूंगा उसको.
Sir, as you wish.
As you wish, है ना? वेरी गुड, शाबाश. सो काजल हैज कम, ओके, एंड वेरी गुड. अच्छे से बोलो, जो मन में है वो बोलो. बात ये है, कुल मिला करके तभी मजा आता है ना? एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एट योर परफॉर्मेंस. यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल. और देखो, मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है, दिमाग तो लगाना ही पड़ता है लाइफ में, अगर अपने को आगे जाना है तो. और कर रहे हो, अच्छा कर रहे हो. जो लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं वो करें, थोड़ा फोकस पे ध्यान रखें अपना. कई लोग तो पता ही नहीं चलता क्या चल रहा है क्लास के अंदर, फिर बाद में आते हैं, अरे सर अब क्या होता है सर, गया नंबर. तो नंबर तो नहीं जाता है तुम्हारा, लेकिन मार्क्स जरूर जाते हैं. तो फोकस और कंसंट्रेशन, माय पर्पस ऑफ दीज क्लासेस for B20, not only developing your English but also developing your focus, your concentration, and your spirit of competition, so that you can get 100% marks. So that is why we have started percentage system. So I'm trying my best and you are also trying your best. So very good, I am very happy. And Anuj, are you ready? तो भाई कोई लंबा ही अटक गया है तो. Okay, after Khushi, I am calling Anna. Anna, do you know what is the meaning of Anna?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, brother.
Brother, बड़ा भाई.
हाँ sir, बड़ा brother.
बड़ा brother, yes, come on, बड़ा brother आ जाओ.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So hello everyone. Today my topic is about feedback. As everyone knows, avoiding B23 students, my performance on the first day, second day for I think half month.
सुनो भाई B23 वालों, अब जरा क्या कह
half
रही है?
month,
अपनी स्टार्टिंग का एक्सपीरियंस बता रही है। हाँ बोल।
half month is very bad
वाज
because
वेरी बैड, पास्ट का बता रहे हो ना?
yes,
हाँ
it was very bad. As you know that I really don't know about tenses.
डिड नॉट नो.
Did not know about tenses.
हम्म
Uh, uh, and as you know, some people, I think 50%, 50% people has left this class after matlab joining the that they don't 50 to not 20 40 you
नो 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 45-10% ओनली.
okay
ओनली
sir
एक
5
बार जो आ जाता है वो जाता नहीं है यहाँ से. कोई करम फोटला होता है वही वापस जाता है, बाकी जाते नहीं है लोग बेटा. मुश्किल से
5
कोई 2-4% लोग जाते हैं, और वो तो
5
सीखना ही नहीं होता है बेटा उनको, वो इसलिए जाते हैं. हाँ बोलो बेटा.
5-10% people go from this class like they use this sir बहाने को क्या बोलता है
एक्सक्यूज.
excuse like sir is not teaching us good
हम्म
sir is sir is scolding us very much.
हम्म
Sir is doing that, sir is doing that,
हम्म
like, and some people also do that like what they don't do their work by them only.
हम्म
Their work is done by their parents or with anything else.
हम्म
So you know, I like this class very much. I improve myself very much in this class. Very
हम्म
from like I am in English medium school, but my stage is not that I am in English medium school because I don't know English. I really don't know matlab, what
डिडंट
is
नो
English.
डिडंट नो.
Didn't know what is English.
हम्म
Like I don't know the basics also. Our English teacher,
वर्ब फॉर्म पे फोकस करो बेटा. वर्ब फॉर्म पे, पास्ट का सेंटेंस है तो उसको पास्ट में. हाँ
our English teacher only taught us for learning the definitions, writing the definitions, test of them, exam of them. No, they really don't give the information about English little better.
हम्म
Only they write exercise on book,
हम्म
exercise on board. This is of this answer. This is of this answer.
हम्म
So in that school I cannot learn English. So that's why I come here. So it is a really golden chance for me for learning English
हम्म
because I don't ever seen
आई हैवंट एवर सीन.
okay sir, I haven't ever seen matlab, a class which give us like that type of knowledge that we can participate in our competitions
शाबाश. हाँ
in
फोकस करो बेटा, फोकस करो.
district, state, country level competitions and etc.
हम्म
So that's it. So now I want to say that be in this class and learn what you can.
हम्म
That's it.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया.
क्या चलो?
आर यू रेडी अनुज?
Yes, sir.
कम ऑन.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone.
Switch your camera on. Yes.
Sir, I am bold again.
Okay.
Let it be.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So, hello, everyone. My name is Anuj, and today the topic is that what we are doing these days or what's going on in our B20 batch. So, as we keep trying different types of things in B20 batch, like speaking, reading, writing, or whatever it takes to be perfect in English. But these days we are going in different direction. Like we are we are being forced to be more focused, and if it loses, our numbers lose. So it's not that easy to be to secure the top position in the class, because even marks, or even the seconds, or even the word, even a letter that I did yesterday, at the place of he, I said she. So that caused me
The
more
loss.
than anything.
Yes.
So it's I would like to say that it's not the class of English only. It's a focus class too, because in which you have to be engaged 100% if you want to secure your position at the top. And this is what it's all about. That's it, sir.
Very good, yaar. Short and sweet. So today you are busy. I think you are busy. Where are you busy, yaar?
Sir, I am.
Yes, you are. I know. But where? खटके
Sir,
तगड़े हैं इनके खटके बहुत तगड़े हैं इनके हैं ओके यस कम ऑन नाउ अंजा
Yes.
बैठ जा
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anshli Meena, and my today's topic is the feedback of this class or what is going on in our class. So, this class is nice and all. This class is nice. And I know it because of my brother, and my brother knows it because my sister and sister knows it because she studied in school by our sir.
Our sir. Okay.
Sir. So, because I know.
सीधी बैठ जा एक तो
I'm studying.
सीधी बैठ पहले तो जब देखो जब पड़ जाती है हाँ ऐसे बैठा कर सीधी ऐसे और मोबाइल को सामने रख दे अब अच्छे बच्चे की तरह बोल हाँ
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone, my name is Anshli and my today's topic is feedback. So, this class is nice, and this class is nice, and like it English, and after joining it, I like only English.
सामने देख सामने सीधी कर नीचे देख के बोल अब वहाँ छत की तरफ मत देख के वहाँ लिख रहा है क्या कुछ हाँ सामने देखना चाहिए ऐसे उधर उधर नहीं देखना चाहिए बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक करो हाँ
I like it only English because of I take these classes, and on this time we are giving tests in regular batch 20, and thankfully our batch 21 is over.
Okay.
So we don't have to take too hard class. And my exams are coming. So my exams are coming. So that is good. And for me also. And sometimes we do speaking in regular class, like, or sometimes debating, like little time debating, and sometimes talking, conversation, that we know. Sometimes someone marks anything, someone marks, we have to come in marks, we have to take a percentage. So that is for like, we have to increase our percentage. And let me know that the first month, first or half month is the very bad and hard, because you have to learn everything. You have to forget everything that your teacher put in your mind and settled it. Like just doing work, book exercises, learning just definitions and learning just definitions is like just we are completing the complementary thing,
Hmm.
not we are just learning it. And sometimes we in a class we done so much fun, like so much sometimes.
Hmm.
And sometimes we talk it in, but at last I wanted to say, don't don't believe in school teachers. Thank you.
Not believe it. Okay. Nice speaking, beta. Very good. Your style is very nice. Keep it up. Okay. Now Aditya B20.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya and today's our topic is about our feedback.
Hmm.
I think all the B20 batch persons know about me and my starting performance.
Hmm.
So I'm not a rare child, rare student of Rajesh sir. I'm only a normal student. And I joined this class on since 1 March 2024. And then and after that time I saw I asked a question for me why I joined this class.
Hmm.
So then we progress our tenses
Hmm.
and some I think some very less student know that Rajesh ji is a civil engineer about grammar and
Civil
first
engineer.
is
कहाँ से लाते हो यार इतना दिमाग? हाँ.
then then
हाँ. Talent है इंडिया
so
का यार. हाँ. Yes, I
so then
appreciate.
after so
हाँ.
then after first he start from our base, then he start first tenses, then the imperative sentences, then and after then he start to about advanced English and competition level questions and tag questions and conditional sentences, neither nor either or etc.
Hmm.
So then and now we revise about that thing again to to build our house to build our house strong and nice
Very good
to
यार.
to
Hmm.
to face that problem which we can face in our college time in 9 12 in 10th in 10th in 10th to 12th.
Hmm.
and uh, and I think this thing is very important, especially tense, because everything every sentence and not all sentences, some sentences are you so many some sentences use tense so much, and then if you do any if you do any law, if you want to become high court judge, या फिर any other person who related to our judicial and other things. So I think that people, so that students also learn about carefully. And I think
Yes.
and, and about me and I think about me, I think I can do it because I'm believe on myself. But I think it is not enough.
Hmm.
I think now you can see that which sentence I make, how and you make a question how to I can speak on this level. So it is not a magic. It is only my practice
Yes.
and
Yes.
other thing.
Very good यार.
But I think it is not enough. I continue my this practice and other things. So that's it.
Very good यार. आज तो तुमने गजब कर दिया यार भाई. क्या खाया था
सर
आज?
पता नहीं सर कुछ नहीं
अरे
मेरा
आज
मन
तो
नहीं
मस्त फ्लो तुम्हारा एकदम है.
सर बादाम खाते हो
अरे
कुछ नहीं
बादाम खाया कर रोजाना, फिर तो तू बादाम खाए थे तो है. कितने बादाम खाए थे?
सर ज्यादा नहीं खाए थे 10 खाए थे
10 ज्यादा नहीं होते भला आदमी. 10 खाए थे, ज्यादा नहीं खाए थे. और क्या बोरी खाएगा क्या? है
नहीं
यार.
सर
आज तेरा फ्लो बहुत अच्छा था. वेरी नाइस. शाबाश बेटा. कीप इट अप बेटा. है ना. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. सो नाउ I'm calling Simran. Come on, Simran.
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, I'm Simran, and today I'm telling about my recently feedback. As well, in these days, sir gives a lot of exercise to us uh, because we solved them and by in sir gives a lot of uh, exercise in these exercise we solved many like take question and connectives and other many other grammar topics and we solved
सॉल्व आएगा ना, सॉल्व्ड क्यों आएगा? चल रहा है ना अभी प्रेजेंट में बेटा.
we solve how to use correct verb uh, and in these days when I know it is I can solve when I took interest that
शाबाश,
that
very good. हाँ.
that sentence and uh, uh, that process in my mind like traffic rule because
यार गजब है यार. Yes, yeah,
yes
really, I am happy, yaar. Yes.
yes when I solve them sentence when it's enter in my mind first of all stop and second
Stop. Traffic light system. Ah, yes, come on, very good. Carry on, carry on. Shabash.
read and translate in Hindi and after it I I I went slow and
I go slow. प्रेजेंट
I
में चलेगा
go
ना सर? हाँ हाँ बोल.
I go slow and solve solve it and use correct verb and after that uh, I go in right way and when my focus was disturbed when my number was
Disturb. Yes.
yes, and
Shabash, very good.
that thing happened with some students and in this way we can solve many questions and it is helpful for our many exams college exams and school exams for 11th 10th and 12th students and especially whoever prepare for
Shabash.
competitive exams and in 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 this in why sir told to us why sir telling to us you give your feedback recently feedback because sir know as well it is important for our speaking and in this way we can speak fluently because because this sentence make in our mind, and we don't iterate this sentence, because uh, we have no any option, and in this we can't in this type of sentence, sorry, this type of topic, we can't search any source on any like Google वगैरह, Google Gemini, ChatGPT, because it is recently topic, and we speak on that topic for think for our thoughts, and no by our thoughts, and after if we listen that whatever record in this listen, if we listen to back it, and when we can fastly improve our speaking, because if we listen it on our own voice, then it is automatically become fast,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बोलती रहे बस. हाँ.
and uh, by in this way definitely we in this way definitely we speak whatever we want, and yes, and uh, taste and any paces is important, because that is a tonic for us, and by it we can by it we can improve a lot of things, as well, whatever things everybody told about, and and the last I want to tell it, you should listen your feedback, whatever you speak in this session, in this class, that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया यार बेटा, शाबाश यार. अब तो डर तो बिल्कुल नहीं लगता तेरे को, है? डर तो खत्म ही हो गया तेरा बेटा, है? वेरी गुड, शाबाश यार, कीप इट अप बेटा, वेरी गुड. एंड नाउ विवान, नाम लिखो तुम भी अपना. नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग रौनक फ्रॉम B23. कम ऑन रौनक.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ronak. I am a student of Rangban English Intensive Classes. Today, I am speaking about my favorite person. Favorite person name is my mother. My mother worked hard for our future. She teaches me good manners. She is my inspiration. She never complains when she tired. She always supports me in every decision I make. That's all the housework. My mother wakes up early to prepare lunch. She has on a smile her face. She is my best friend. She is my first teacher. She worships the tulsi plant. She tells us stories from Ramayana.
आराम से बेटा, शाबाश, अच्छा, धीरे धीरे बोलो, तसल्ली से बेटा। हाँ,
She teaches us how to make our decisions. She fulfills our all needs.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। हाँ,
She is religious lady. She fulfills our all needs. She is my angel and she loves me and I also love her.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड, शाबाश, कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, वेरी गुड। यस, कम ऑन। काजल, नाम लिख बेटा। आरुषि,
Yes, sir.
काजल,
My
विवान,
name,
नाम लिखो अपना अपना।
my name is Arshana. I study in class. It is my topic. My favorite person. My favorite person is my mother. Mother's name is Tulsibai Meena. She is the most important person in my life.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ,
She is kind, caring, loving, and hardworking.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। सुनो सब ध्यान से। हाँ,
She wakes up early every morning and walk all day to
वेरी गुड।
take care of our family. She cooks delicious food, keep our home clean, and helps everyone whenever they need her. My mother always supports me in my studies. She teaches me good manners, honesty, and respect for others.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड।
Whenever I make a mistake, she explains it with love and helps.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड।
She always encourages me to work hard and never give up.
Encourages me। हाँ, बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग में
I
सुनना।
enjoy I enjoy spending time with my mother. We talk, laugh, and something go for a walk together. She always makes me feel happy and safe. I respect her because I respect her because she sacrifices a lot of on family.
Sacrifices। हाँ, कोई
I
बात नहीं,
love
बोलो।
my mother. I love my mother very much. She is my first teacher.
वेरी गुड।
I feel lucky to have such a wonderful mother in my life. She teaches good manners.
शाबाश, शाबाश।
She is a good person. She is a beautiful. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड बेटा, ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, है ना, शाबाश। विवान, नाम लिखो बेटा अपना। कॉल मैसेज मैसेज बॉक्स में जाके नाम लिखो अपना, तुमको ही बोलना है थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में। यस, नाउ आदित्य, B23।
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya. I in class 7th. My topic is my favorite person. My favorite person is my father. He is kind and kind person. He get up early in the morning. My father work hard for my family.
शाबाश, तसल्ली से, धीरे धीरे, सोच सोच के एक एक सेंटेंस। हाँ,
He always help me with my my brother and sister. My father is a tasty cook and make delicious स्वादिष्ट को क्या बोलते हैं?
डिलीशियस सही बोला है. माय फादर कुक्स डिलीशियस फूड. हाँ.
My father is strong and always person. He tells to everyone with respect and kindness.
टॉक्स टेल्स नहीं टॉक्स. ही टॉक्स. हाँ बोलो बोलो आगे बोलो.
He is also a grandson. Grandson.
ग्रैंडसन. सॉन नहीं. ग्रैंडसन. हाँ.
I feel proud of have him as. That's it.
राइटिंग करो जम के, है ना. हाँ बदमाशी नहीं करना बिल्कुल भी, है ना बेटा. हाँ यस कम ऑन. काजल कहाँ है? आजा बेटा. काजल
हाँ.
बोल बेटा.
Good evening, sir. My name is Kajal Zaina. My one classes. Today is my topic. My favorite person, my father is Shriman Sitaram. He about 40 years old. He in breakfast and biscuit.
आवाज तुम्हारी क्लियर नहीं आ रही है बेटा. कट रही है आवाज बीच बीच में.
His height 5.7 inch feet and he is very hardworking person.
शाबाश शाबाश. हाँ.
He watches TV and uses mobile phone. He read newspaper daily.
शाबाश शाबाश. घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ होने दो, गलत होने दो, घबराओ मत.
He gets up at 6 a.m. daily. He is educated. He cannot make a food. He cannot wash his utensils.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश शाबाश. घबराओ मत. हाँ.
My father is the most important role in my life.
Has most important role in my life. बोलो बोलो घबराओ मत. हाँ.
He go to work at 10 a.m. and come back 5 a.m. p.m. And he show unwavering strength difficult time.
Hmm.
He loves children.
Hmm.
He respects my mother.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल मत घबराओ, हाँ बोलते रहो, फोकस करो बस.
And her nature and behavior are good.
Hmm.
His good communication. He, he wears a simple clothes. And he loves us.
Hmm.
He's very hardworking, so I like my father.
Hmm.
He helped me. He helped.
Hmm.
And he he does not like household work,
Hmm.
but like only for uses mobile phone.
Hmm.
I don't like.
Oh, so sad. Yes. बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे बोला करो, घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी, हाँ खुल जाओगे थोड़े दिनों में, चिंता मत करो, हाँ.
But he's my hero.
Hmm.
My,
Hmm.
he teach us like right direction.
Hmm.
I I am proud of my father. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, शाबाश. कम ऑन विवान. विवान बोलेगा थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में. यस, कम ऑन विवान, ही इज द न्यूएस्ट स्टूडेंट. यस, हरी अप. बोलो अपने बारे में, अपना नाम बताओ, पिताजी का नाम बताओ, मम्मी का नाम बताओ, कहाँ रहते हो, क्या करते हो, बोलो.
My name is Vivan. I read in class 6th.
Hmm.
My father name is Hemant Kumar. My mother name is Santosh.
Hmm.
I live in Salasar.
Hmm.
I read in Angels Academy.
Hmm.
I am 9-year-old.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड बेटा, शाबाश बेटा, बोलो ऐसे, वेरी गुड.
I study in class 5th.
Hmm. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, बोलते रहो. जब बात खत्म हो जाए तो दैट्स इट बोल देना.
My brother name is Pranshu.
Hmm. हो गया? कुछ और बोलना है?
Yes, sir.
बोलना है?
No, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड, शाबाश, ऐसी कोशिश किया करो बस। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। आर्यन,
Yes, sir.
आजा आजा, उस दिन भी रह गया था तू, आजा बेटा, आजा बेटा। यस, कम ऑन आर्यन।
My name is Arvind. My favorite topic is my favorite person. My favorite person is my mother. My mother's name is Sanjay Kumari and her age around 37 years, and her she wakes up at 7 or 8 o'clock, and she sleeps at 10:30 and 11 o'clock.
कोशिश करो आराम से,
She
अच्छा।
wears kurta and pajama, and she angry on me when I do some
She
mistake.
gets angry. बोलो बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना, अभी पता चल जाएगा। हाँ।
She is a hard-working woman.
वेरी गुड, ऐसे बोलो छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस, शाबाश।
She fulfills our all needs. She helps me in Hindi subject. Her hobby is playing volleyball. My mother has many clothes. She want to make teacher of Hindi subject.
शाबाश शाबाश, बोलते रहे बेटा।
Now she has fever. My mother makes cook food tasty. My mother makes tasty foods.
शाबाश शाबाश, कोशिश करो।
She loves me and I also love her.
Love her.
Her favorite subject is Hindi. Because her writing is very good, and she says me when principal
other school principal comes to checking copy. She says me कि my principal takes my copy and hers a height about 5'7" or 8".
5 point.
So 5'4" because I am longer than her.
Okay.
She's friendly. In my full family. She uses smartphone.
Very good, very good.
She loves study.
सर कॉल आ रहा है, मैं काट दूं?
हाँ. Yes, Aryan, carry on.
My mother's have problem of in सब गले को क्या कहते हैं?
Throat.
सब क्या?
Throat.
And my mother's problem is throat because there is a fever at 4-3 days. So my mother do not eat like heavy or also not drink the soft drinks and tea. My mother also goes to yoga class. And she goes to work at morning to जा सके.
शाबाश शाबाश.
She loves momos and also like the ice creams. But he always says you do not eat junk food. But she eats junk food.
Okay. 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 ओके, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, ऐसी कोशिश क्या करो. वेरी गुड. अब कोई रह तो नहीं गया? सबका आ गया ना नंबर? चलिए
क्लास
बस सब जा रहे हैं अपन. अब थोड़ी देर में. हाँ.